Hey guys, it's Black Joseph from ONN TV Hacks. In this video, I'll show you how to install TiviMate IPTV Player on your ONN streaming device using two simple methods. For anyone unfamiliar with the app, TiviMate is only an IPTV media player. To use it, you'll need to connect your own compatible IPTV subscription using the login details provided by your service provider. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that TiviMate is one of the most popular IPTV players and is widely used on Android TV devices for its smooth interface and advanced features. With that out of the way, let's move on to the installation process. From the ONN TV home screen, navigate to the Apps section and select the Search option. Now type in TiviMate IPTV Player. After entering the first few letters, the application should appear in the search results. Select the correct TiviMate IPTV Player from the list and click Install. The app will now begin downloading and installing on your ONN device, which should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. While the app is installing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ONN TV Hacks for more helpful tutorials. Once installed, you can return to the home screen, open the Apps menu, and find TiviMate IPTV Player in your list of installed applications. And that is the easiest way to install TiviMate directly from the Google Play Store. However, sometimes TiviMate may not appear in the Play Store on every ONN device or in certain regions. If that happens, don't worry. We can still install it by sideloading its APK. So, the first step is to head over to the menu at the top using your remote and select the settings icon all the way to the right. Now, this is where you can change all your device settings. Scroll down to System and select About from the list. Next, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS Build. This part is important, so pay attention. Click this option 7 times continuously. Once you see the message, "You are now a developer," that means developer mode has been successfully enabled. Press the Home button once. Now we need to install an app called Downloader. This is where you'll install all your favorite apps. Go to the menu at the top and select Apps. If Downloader appears in the suggestions, great. If not, use the search bar and type Downloader, or use your voice command to find it. From the list of Downloader apps, select the orange one at the top. Click Install, and in a few minutes, it will be ready. Once installed, open the Downloader app. Inside Downloader, click on the URL field. Now enter this code, 8533602. This will redirect you to the ONN TV Hacks Downloader page, where all apps are organized. Now scroll to the IPTV Media Players category and select it. Look for TiviMate IPTV Player. Click on it, and the download will start automatically. If it doesn't start, press the download button manually. Once the download is complete, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Done. Now, select Delete to remove the APK file. Don't worry, this only removes the installer file, not the app itself. Before opening TiviMate, make sure you are connected to a VPN. This is very important, especially when using third-party IPTV players. A VPN helps protect your privacy and prevents your internet provider from monitoring your streaming activity. If you don't have one, check the discounted VPN link in the description. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ONN TV hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.